Racket in my hand, shoes tied tight. Morning on the court, feels just right. White bird in the air, quick little flash. I lean, I grin, then I dash. You on the other side, eyes locked in. We laugh
Yo, we live on IG, we live on IG.
Again. Shuttle and swing, shuttle and swing. We came to play and
Live on IG, we live on IG.
Shuttle and swing, shuttle and swing. Make new friends, get fit today. Hey! One more round, come on, don't slow down. Sweat on the line, spin all around. Your name in my shower, mine in your cheer. No one's a stranger once they're here. You on the other side, reach, return. Every small rally, a lesson learned. Shuttle and swing, shuttle and swing. We came to play and do our thing.
Yo, we live on IG here, let's see this.
Shuttle and swing. Make new friends, get fit today. Hey! Hands on knees, breathe and smile. One more point, stay a while. From first toss up to last high five, we leave it all feeling alive.
What a smash. That is some crazy badminton. You know guys, if you want to follow us, you can actually go on Badminton, the club.